Hey guys, welcome to episode 16 with me. No, episode 17 with me. So आज मैं जा रही हूँ दुबई because मुझे कुछ काम है. I'm going to show you guys क्या काम है. पर मैं नहीं गई gym and it's not a normal day. It's a trip to Dubai. Let's go. Stopped at the last pump while going to Dubai and I'm gonna grab some KFC family cheesy fries. So I've reached Dubai abhi and now I have to still drive to Sharjah. The map shows more 36 minutes. It's around 5 now, इससे traffic कम है, वरना traffic बहुत ज़्यादा होती है इस time पे, after this time. Welcome to Dubai. यहाँ पे cages आ जाओ. I'm at Sharjah to buy like a bird cage and I'm finding it, and honestly the market is very expensive currently because of the import duties and stuff. I think it's so hot that I do not have the strength to even like talk to the vendors or discuss the prices and ask for a discount. My head is gone. I just hate this weather. It's so hot here. It's way hotter than Abu Dhabi. On my way to eat something because Sharjah में कुछ भी नहीं मिला. No cage, no food, nothing at all. It was like no point going there. But whatever it is, it's done. And I might like just go to the Abu Dhabi market and buy the cage, or I might check a market in Dubai as I'm already here. But it's actually pointless of me coming here because I didn't find anything what I needed from the Sharjah market, and everything was like double the price. A cage which I purchased a few months back for 400, that was being sold for 600 to me, and that too a new piece not available, not in the box, rusted and stuff like that. And everyone is depressed there because of the whole situation. I mean, I don't know what situation, but yeah, they are saying that their business is highly affected, and because of the import and export taxes and stuff, they are really sad and depressed, and they're not even willing to speak properly to the customers. So I just wish them good luck, and I wish something good happens to them. Yeah, that's it. But जो भी था मेरा मकसद यहाँ आने का, it's not done. Yeah. Sort of all the places, I really love this place. It's called Uncle's Kitchen and it's a branch from Mumbai. I'm here at Uncle's Kitchen and I love this place. It's been like 2 years since I visit here very regularly. Maybe every 3 months, whenever I come to Dubai, maybe every 3 months or 2 months, I make sure I come here whenever I come to Dubai. This is the first item which we received. It's potato chili and it's the best. And this is the paneer black pepper. Looks yum as well. The taste of authentic Chinese, like Mumbai street food Chinese, you can only find in Uncle's Kitchen anywhere. My reaction says it all. Dubai honestly feels like just another city in India. The amount of Indians residing in Dubai are just a lot. And for a matter of fact that I usually will never prefer to live in Dubai. Like my preference would always be to live in Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi is much calmer, peaceful, and the vibes there are much better for me personally. But I know a lot of people who prefer to live in Dubai. But for me, preferably, I wouldn't ever like take that option to stay in Dubai. I just love Abu Dhabi, and there's no other better city in the world than Abu Dhabi. So I reached Abu Dhabi a while back around 9:30, and currently it's 10:30. And I know y'all don't care, but yeah, I want to blabber. So everything was good in Dubai except that I did not find the cages. The main reason I went to Sharjah, nor I went to Al Warsan pet market to find the cages, because I thought it's a waste of time to just go there and not find it, because I know Sharjah is supposed to be the cheapest, but because of the current situation, people are not really approachable. They are not talking well. They just don't want to sell. They are like, they have the stock. अगर suppose एक cage है, मैंने जो लिया था पहले cage 350 dirhams की, they are giving it to me for 600, and after discount they are giving it to me for 550. And even after you tell them like you're going to buy it and stuff, they're like, if you want to buy it you can buy it, otherwise you can leave. But before they would be like, you know, please buy it. Even if like I would pay 375, he would be okay, like 25 dirhams more, and 350 also मतलब वो चलेगा. But अभी the market is like so bad that they are like नहीं बिकना है तो leave it, because they are not receiving new stock from the port. That's what they are telling us, that हमारे पास stock नहीं है, तो हमारे पास जो सामान पड़ा है वो ही हम ज़्यादा में बेच रहे हैं. So because of this whole situation, I was not able to find for the budget and for the quality I was looking for. And जो stock पड़ा है that was like rusted, तो मुझे लेना नहीं है rusted things and something that's like lying there from like months or years, because I know the amount of cockroaches and pesticides that enter the holes of the cages. तो इसलिए I didn't take that risk. But anyways, अभी मैं चेक करूँगी मीना वाला मार्केट, वहाँ पे शायद मिले. एंड दुबई इन जनरल, उधर ह्यूमिडिटी डेंसिटी और लोग बहुत ही ज़्यादा है, तो मैं यूजुअली कामर एनवायरनमेंट, पीसफुल, लाइक समथिंग लाइक अबू धाबी इज़ लाइक द बेस्ट. आई कांट एवर थिंक ऑफ लिविंग इन एनी अदर प्लेस रादर देन अबू धाबी. और अभी मैं जा रही हूँ वॉक पे, एंड उधर की हवा और इधर की हवा में भी बहुत फ़र्क है. लाइक इधर गर्मी भी फील्स गुड टू मी नाउ. लाइक आई लव अबू धाबी, सो आई थिंक इट्स गुड दैट आई विजिट लाइक दुबई, शारजा एंड अदर एमिरेट्स टू रियलाइज दैट हाउ मच ग्रेटफुल आई शुड बी फॉर लिविंग इन अबू धाबी. I'm home now since a while. I'm so tired. Even though I didn't drive, it was just like a friend of mine driving back and forth. But still, the whole journey from like Abu Dhabi to Dubai and Sharjah and me checking everything was so tiring. Currently, I just did some time pass, wrote the names of my birds on my hand. So yeah, guys, signing off for today. Bye. See you guys tomorrow.